Welcome to Codecrafters, and now again let's get to the SQL tutorial part 2. So in this video we are going to learn more about table structures and how to insert values to the table. So let's just take our table, use demo, wait, let me just check the databases, show databases. And yeah, I have our database in this. Let's use our demo, show tables. Okay, I have only one table, so let's just see the structure of the table. Desk, customers. Yeah, so here the structure. Now, you have created the structure by creating the table, right? In case you missed a column while adding or like creating the table, how will you do it? You have to add the column now. A structure is already created. You can't go again creating the entire structure again. So instead, you can alter the table. So in SQL, if you need to add a column to the existing table, to the existing structure, you can use the alter command. Okay, so it goes like this: alter table, table name, add column name, data type. That's the way, the syntax of alter command. Alter table name, so alter table, table name, add column name, data type. So let's just try adding something. We already have customer ID, name, address, city, postal code, and country. We didn't have an column name age. So let's just try adding the age column. Alter table. Our table name is customers. So customers, add column, and our column name is age. And our data type is int. So int. Now you got this query. Okay, 3 rows affected, records 3, duplicate 0, warning 0. We have to check whether our age column is added to the table, right? So let's again give the structure command and let's do it. DASC. DASC means description of the table, okay? Description customers. So once we actually execute this command, our age column should be at the end of the table. Yes, we have the age column at the end of the table. That means your column is added successfully to the table. So in case you want to drop a column, let's say you have to drop the column named city, you again have to use the same command, alter table customers drop column. You don't have to mention the data type here, you just have to mention the column name. So in our case, we are going to drop the column city, right? So city. Now again, you give the structure, disk, customers, you got it. So the city column is entirely dropped. Now, if you want to like modify the column, you already have a column in the table and you have to modify the column. Let's say you have to change the data type of the column. And in our case, okay, first we'll add a column and then we'll modify it, because in the whatever we columns are added, we don't have anything to modify here. Let's just add a column named salary, alter call table customers, add column salary int, desk customers. Okay, now salary is added, but we have given the data type of salary as integer, right? Normally salary won't be always in the whole numbers or anything. It can also be in the decimal points. So we are going to convert this integer or modify this data type into float. Okay, let's say alter table customers. For altering a column and modifying it, you have to say modify column. Column, and our column name is salary and the data type is float. Now let's again go to the description part. Disk customers. So now the type of the salary data type has changed to float. So like this, you can actually alter table and add columns to the table, etc. In MySQL, if you want to add a date of birth, the format will be year, month, and date. Okay, so let's say we have to add date of birth of the customers. Alter table customers, add date of of birth, and the data type is date. Okay, so you'll be just mention date as a data type. Now, if you see the description part, here given this. So here the date is like year, month, and day. This is how you need to insert the values into your table in the date format. So first you have to input the year, and then the month, and then the day. You can also change this date into year if you want to show only the year of the birth of the year which they are born. And then, yeah, if you want to drop a column, it's same thing. Alter table customers drop column. And let's say we are just going to drop the date of birth column, date of birth. Give the column name as exactly as in the table. The case sensitive is not mattering, but still you have to use the underscore of the way the spellings and everything is perfect. Disk customers. It's not necessary that you have to every time check with the description of the customer table. It's just for your reference that you can see the change what you have made in the table. This is all about the alter command for MySQL. I hope you understood everything. And if you any doubt, just drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you.